Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to locate your wallpapers and lock screen images on your Windows PC. I show you guys how to do it. You just need to open up a File Explorer, click on this PC, double click on local disk C, and now in here Windows folder, now web folder, double click on it, double click on the wallpaper folder. In here you can able to see all the default wallpapers in the various subfolders. You just need to double click on the folder one by one and locate the wallpaper you want. Just locate it by double click on it. You can able to see all the wallpapers are stored in here, and that's how you locate your wallpapers in your PC, guys. I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like, guys. You can also subscribe me and support me, guys. Thank you.